Hi guys, Steph here. Right, some of you who are out there pen hunting themselves or looking for pens out in the wild will know themselves that it's not very often that we find these Parker 51s in excellent condition. Unfortunately, the majority out there, when you find them, have issues, they have scratches, whatever, and they need restoring, as in this example. Now, the nice thing about this particular Parker 51 is that it came to me a little bit tired, a little bit grubby, clogged up with ink inside the collector, but once restored, it's actually come out very nicely indeed. Okay, so look at that. We've got this gold filled cap or roll gold cap. The pen itself is in beautiful condition. All the sort of cruddy ink inside the feed and the collector, etc., has been cleaned off and it's ready to go to a new customer. So what happens when we find Parker 51s out in the wild that are in a worse case than this? Well, the majority of problems that I find is that when we find the caps on the 51s, as you can see there, a bit of wear, it's got some dings to it. This one's got a large ding there, a big piece of wear there where the clip wears. There's wear to the bottom of the cap itself. There we go. We've got another one with a big ding, little dings there. It's got a little bit of wear to the top there, and then we've got the Lustralloy caps themselves, as in this case we've got a ding. There you go, another couple of dings there as well. There we go. This one's slightly worse for wear. You can see the dings there. We've got the wear marks. This is a very common problem with these Lustralloy caps. It has a wear mark where the arrow point wears. So what do we do when we find a Parker 51 that is actually a little bit worse for wear? Well, what I do is customize the caps. Now, what we've got here is two gorgeous burgundy Parker 51s, and I thought I'd do two burgundy ones and show you the options on both the caps. There you go. So let's sort of show you them individually. We've got the gold cap here, which is engraved, and it's got this gorgeous sort of textured effect. It's got a semi-precious stone to the very top there, which the colour matches the gorgeous burgundy barrel. But as you can see there, in my opinion, I think they look absolutely excellent. Then we've got the other one. This one came to me with a Lustralloy cap. Again, we've got the matching stone to the very top there, which again matches this lovely burgundy colour. And in this case, it's more of a brushed effect, and when it actually gets brushed like this, it gives it a sort of like a matte effect. Okay, so it's a brushed effect, and again, in my opinion, looks absolutely gorgeous. In fact, one of the pens in my own personal collection, there we go, we've got a Cocoa 51 which I've kept, which has got the same brushed effect. In this case, you can see it's got a brown semi-precious stone which matches the Cocoa barrel. So that's what we do when we find these pens in a little bit sort of worse state. What I tend to do is do this customization to the caps, and again, in my opinion, they look absolutely gorgeous. So the question is for you people out there is, one, do you like them? and 2, which do you actually prefer? The gold one or the silver one, or the luster alloy cap? Okay, so what we've done, some people out there, the purists, will say, oh well, you've ruined a couple of caps. Well, no, I haven't, because both caps were actually ruined in the first place. And what I've actually done, in my opinion, is give them a second life. And in my opinion, again, I think they look absolutely gorgeous. Not only that, but they're actually, well, they're customized by myself, so you won't find another one out there in the same, well, as I say, they're done by hand, so you won't find another one out there. So again, in my opinion, they look a million times better than they actually did. As I say, the rest of the pen has all been fully restored as well. You can see the feed, everything internally has been restored and cleaned, and both of these pens are now ready to find a new home. In fact, all 3 pens will be looking for a new home. So the question is, again, just one for you people, for my viewers, which do you prefer? Do you like them? Do you not like them? Because are you a purist that says, well, you shouldn't do that with caps? As I said, in my opinion, they were already ruined, and I think now they look absolutely superb. So somebody will enjoy these pens for many years to come. So what we'll do, we'll find a new home for him. So I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pens as much as I enjoy showing them to you people. As always, leave a comment or answer my question down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget, people, just give the video a thumbs up, just to show that you've enjoyed it. And don't forget, wherever you are out there, please stay safe. But for now, I'll just say bye bye for now.